Should you start with standard dropshipping or branded / private label dropshipping? I'm gonna go over which one's the best and why you should choose this method of dropshipping. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. If you're trying to get into dropshipping right now, you've been pitched all these different ideas, Amazon, Walmart, all these automation things, Shopify automation, dropshipping, private label, which one's the best, okay? And when I talk about private label, I talk about branded, and standard dropshipping is just regular dropshipping. And here are the pros and cons of both. Standard dropshipping doesn't require a lot to get started. You just find a product, you sell it as it's a third-party product, but it's not branded by you. You don't own any assets. It's just a product that you're basically the broker on. You pay 25 bucks for the product, you sell it for 35, you take the $10. Obviously, you're gonna be running ads to that, so that's not crazy relatable, but that is basically what it is. If you run a branded business or private label, you own the product. You have a logo. It's like on the label. You now have an asset that you can sell and you can exit with more money later on. Private label does cost more. You are required to buy more in bulk with a private label, so you just have to have more capital. What I really recommend you doing in the beginning is with standard dropshipping, you can find a product, prove the concept, start running ads to it, start getting all your things in place on your store, your automations, email, SMS, start churning this product, making money, generating revenue. Then you have a proven concept. Then you go to the supplier, you say, hey, listen, I like this product, it sells well, I wanna make it my own, I wanna put my logo on, I might wanna add some other custom things to it. What can we do? And that's where you wanna negotiate, right? As you buy more in inventory, you wanna get bulk discounts, get that fulfillment fee down, because private label fulfillment fees are pretty high. Shipping, okay? You wanna make that product, in my opinion, under £1. That's just like how I kind of run a lot of my stores, is you wanna keep that product under £1 so that the shipping is cheaper and you can just obviously get more people into the ecosystem. Okay. With standard drop shipping, you're gonna have not as fast shipping times. You're gonna have some times where you gotta get the product shipped on a boat from China. It's just not as fast fulfillment. You can't have crazy turnaround times too with product inventory. Because for private label, I can call my supplier right now and say, hey Sammy, I need 2,000 bottles. Okay, it'll be done in 3 days. With drop shipping, I'll say, hey, I need 2,000. Okay, we'll make it and then we'll ship it to you. It's gonna take 28 to 35 business days. That is not scalable when you're running ads every single day, and you might have to take 28 days off to wait for that product to come through. So those are kind of the pros and cons of each, but realistically, I would start with standard, prove the concept, couple weeks, get things in place, then make that product a private label branded product. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.